नमस्ते बच्चों, हमेशा खुश रहो। Myself, Javin Dr. Monica Trivedi. Today I am going to teach you about reaction mechanism of transition metal complexes and energy profile of a reaction. This topic belongs to the inorganic chemistry second, MSc chemistry second semester. Okay, so what is the reaction mechanism of transition metal complexes and energy profile reactions? The species like A and BC are reactant, and while BC and C are the product. Okay, the potential energy changes involved during this transformation are presented graphically in a figure. Okay, so in case of a reactant are converted into the product through a transition state which involves the formation of the activation complexes, this energy is known as the activation energy. From the figure, it also can see that the reaction of endothermic reaction or exothermic reaction, the reactant molecule must acquire the activation energy for successful transformation. Here you can see the endothermic reaction and exothermic reaction, the energy profile diagram of exothermic and endothermic reaction. Here you can see the activated activation complex, which is ABC in both diagrams. The product, the reactant has some kind of energy which is a potential energy. It requires activation energy to convert into the product. So here you can see in a exothermic reaction, the energy of reactant is higher as compared to the product, and in an endothermic reaction, the energy of product is higher as compared to the reactant. Okay, for the exothermic reaction, the energy of the product is lower, and the energy of the reactant is higher. So, while in a case of the endothermic reaction, the energy of product being higher, and the reactant must be consequently supplied the external energy to reaction to continue the reaction. Okay, so. Generally, the octahedral complexes show the SN1 and SN2 mechanism. So, if you see the SN1 mechanism for octahedral complexes, which has a coordination number 6, if a complex MX5Y combines with Z and give SN1 mechanism, and it converts into a 6-member coordination number, which is MX3Z plus Y. It eliminated Y and combine the substitute by the Z. So in mechanism, the redetermining step is when the MX5Y converts into MX5 plus Y. If it eliminate when it eliminate Y, the rate determine this step is a rate determining step. Okay, in another step, the MX5, the coordination having coordination number 5, combines with the Z, and it is a fast reaction, and it converts into an again a 6 coordination number complex like MX5 X. So the overall rate of reaction, it depends upon the KMX5Y, which is a rate determining step and a slow step. So this is the overall mechanism of SN1 mechanism of octahedral complexes. Here you can see in starting the 5-member of metal, which is MX5 coordination number, converts into a 6-member, which is MX5 Z. Okay, and then the structure of complex also changes by the slow and a fast reaction. Okay. The second is SN2 mechanism. In this kind of mechanism, the formation and bond breaking combine with the one step, and the activated complex or a transition stage appear in this kind of mechanism, and the redetermining step is MX5Y plus Z, when the coordination number is 6, and it converts into the MX5YZ, which is a activated, which is a intermediate on in this mechanism. Okay, so the finally the product we get is MX5 Z plus Y, which having a coordinated number 6, and the overall rate of reaction is depend upon the concentration of MX5Y and Z both. Okay, so this kind of reaction known as a SN2 type of reaction. This is the mechanism. Here the coordination number 6 having compound converts into coordination number 7 compound, and then by eliminating the Y it converts into coordination number 6 compound. Okay, so thank you very much. This session powered by digital version 2.0 Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University. Hope you satisfied with my session. If you have any query, please let me know. Please comment me.